Hi, everybody. Welcome. How are you today? I am so excited to just I'm closing some of my tabs there. Um, it's Tuesday today. I'm so excited to be able to talk to you for a little bit. I've been kind of hinting for the last couple of days that we had this new program out, and I wanted to share it with you and wanted to do it live so that you can, you know, feel the excitement and hopefully want more questions. But here we go. When we've been a part of digital age for quite a few years now. But when COVID hit, every company, every business out there had to learn to pivot to be able to jump on the bandwagon, so to speak, to really come onto the digital world. Because all of a sudden, you couldn't go out. We all learned how to shop online, find deals online, delivery online, pickup online, like everything was all done online, and everybody had to pivot. Same as with Epicure. And now that restrictions up, we can go back to normal. We've gotten so used to doing everything online that we've just stayed with that. And so Epicure, when we were at our conference last month, we learned of this new program that was coming up, and it came live last week, and I'm so excited, as all of us are. We have, we come across in our day-to-day life with our customers, with all of you, that some of you may want to be a part of Epicure, but you don't want to purchase a kit because you already have a lot of products, and or it could be some of you would like to purchase a kit, but you don't, you're never going to do cooking classes. You're never going to go online. You're never going to go into somebody's house to do a live cooking class. That's never going to happen for you. And that's okay. We're all completely different. And so the Epicure came up with a second business kit. So you have the main one that we've had. It's 125 Canadian. It's just about $300 worth of products, 99 American, and you get the steamer, you get a whole bunch of actual food products, and everything else. And now we have this digital kit that was put together just for all of you guys, and you have everything that the regular kit came with. You have your own e-commerce website that you get to use, that you can get that link off to people, friends, families, neighbors, co-workers, that you just send them the link and they can order just like you do now for me, that you just go online, order your products. There's no inventory. Actually, it's frowned upon if you stock inventory. Epicure does not want you to be having, massive amount of money tied up in inventory because things change, things get discontinued, and then you're left with this. And so it's strongly encouraged not to get inventory. So there's no inventory to purchase. There's, no delivery that you have to do. Everything is all online. And so you have your e-commerce site, which is the same as the regular full kit. You get access to our back office, your back office, and that's where training is there, the how-tos are there, the training videos, the demos, how to do a cooking class for those that want to do it, all the learning, all the social media, all the images that, when you see them on my website, you think, oh, that's a really cool picture, that's a really good video. Seriously, copy and paste, copy and paste. That's all you do is copy and paste. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. So that is the same. You get your own e-commerce site. You get access to the back office, same as before. You can still earn up to 33% off of your personal sales. You get, I already talked about the no inventory. You get team support. You get training, just like you would if you got in a whole kit. You get the 4 catalogs every year. Weekly pays, flexible schedule, like everything is still the same. You'll now have access to all these promo codes, which we started last month, that you can share with family and friends and people that you're talking to and say, hey, I've got a promo code. Like right now, there's one going on that is for new customers only. So it would be perfect for you because all of you people you know are all going to be new customers to you. Um, and so now you have promo card codes, and the only thing that's different, 125 for the full business kit with product. This one is $49.99, and that allows you to have all of the digital equipment that you need to be successful. And for both of them, you get me. You get me to help you. So I would love to have you join my team so that we can work together. I can help you go step by step, find a way that this would add value to your family. How can we do this so that you will have more time to spend with your family? You'll have that extra income that's going to help pay some of your bills, your monthly bills. Maybe you've got, a big family vacation you've been working with, and so you want to be able to put money aside for that. I can show you how to do that. So, I mean, what would you use that extra $50 to $500 a month? Like, that's free money. How can I help you? What would you use that for? Again, full business kit, 125 dollars Canadian, 99 American, and that gives you your product and everything. And then you have your digital kit for $49.99. And I am here for you to help you. If you have any questions, please just ask away, and let's get you started. And like I said, you don't need to do cooking classes. I know that fear of standing in front of people is a big fear for a lot of people. It just, that's, you're never going to go there, but you want to be able to get your products at cost. I did that for my 2 years, my first 2 years. I've been with Epicure about 10 and a half, going on 11 years. And I spent the first 2 years just buying it for myself. I was gluten intolerant and I loved that. It was one thing I did not have to read labels on. And and my husband's a diabetic. Again, is one label I didn't have to search for how many sugars were in that product. And so you can do that. And so to be able to get your product at discount, I love your money, but I would be doing a huge disservice to you if I didn't offer you the opportunity to be able to save that money and put, instead of putting it in my pocket, putting it in your pocket or saving it. All right, if you have any questions, give me a holler, and I will talk to you soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.